back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be showing y'all my very first time doing small knotless braids. So I struggled a little bit, so by any means this is not a tutorial. I'm just showing y'all, you know, my first time doing knotless braids, or what I thought were knotless braids. So I'm gonna use this lock-in pomade from Ebin, and the first thing I did was I pre-parted the day/night before, because I saw this parting method on YouTube and I was like, I'm gonna try this instead, because I did soft locks before, and I tried a different method because I'm not used to doing any hairstyles like this. So I parted my hair across. You see how I'm just braiding it across, and there I have my 5 rows in the back and 5 rows in the top, which in the end I ended up taking it all down and I did not like it. So now I'm going to separate out my hair. I'm using this Expressions pre-stretched hair in the color 1 to match my hair. And since I don't have one of those expensive hair rack things, I just decided to use a tote that I had. So now I'm gonna I'm gonna part out my little boxes. So obviously you see that I'm struggling, so now I'm feeding in the hair. So I went with a method that I found on YouTube that was most comfortable for me. I had already done like a few practice braids before, but you can still see that I am struggling with it. So you can see that it's kind of hard for me. It was kind of hard for me to feed it in backwards. I didn't practice backwards, I only practiced frontwards. But you see that I'm feeding it in. I did one piece of hair and then I braided for a little bit. Alright y'all, so I started my hair like a little after 12. In 4 hours, I'm like halfway done with my head. Like when I started in the beginning, it was kind of difficult for me to feed the hair in because I was doing it backwards. But with the way I have my iPad set up, it's gotten a little bit easier. This is not for the weak. I've done some bigger braids. I thought that because I had done soft locks before that it was gonna be all peachy keen, but I guess not. My braids in the back look kind of embarrassing, I'm not gonna lie. Actual braids are kind of all the same size. There's some that are just a teeny bit bigger than others. I think that I've gotten better at separating out the hair that I need to feed in. I'm gonna try to do a little bit better towards the top. That's where people are gonna see most of my braids. I will see y'all when I see y'all. Last time I checked in it was like 4 o'clock and now it's 8:30. 4 hours later. I think since then I think I have like 2 or 3 rows done. I guess that's good timing. I'm at the top, at the final stretch, y'all. Even though this took a long time, like, self-satisfaction is still there. Even though my parts kind of look like trash, I'm just proud that I was able to braid my own hair. I am finally done braiding my hair. 10:14 at night. I don't know exactly what time I started. I know that I was getting my stuff set up. I would say I probably started braiding at like 12:15. I have literally been braiding my hair all day. But this is what my braids look like. I haven't dipped them yet. I just wanted to show y'all like what they look like. They actually look pretty good. Halfway through, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I stopped caring. I was like, dude, I'm too far to take all this down, but I'm too close to finishing. I think they're pretty cute. I think I can pass with these. Took me 10 freaking hours to do it. I'm like delirious from sitting down for 10 hours. I only took like 2 breaks. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. Don't forget to check out my Pretty Girl Diaries podcast. I've been BSing with season 2 because I'm about to graduate from college. 1 is already up and you can just listen to that at any time. With that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.